So if you ever want some data to practice with on the MongoDB and Mongoose course, one annoying thing Free Code Camp does is it often clears your database collection. So there's not much point keeping on creating people here. But what I've done is I've created a bunch of data in the appropriate format. And what you can do is download the file, and I'll put that in the description. And then you just want to open it up with a text editor, and I have a bunch of people here with different favorite foods and ages. And what you can do is you can just copy this entire JSON string right here, and then go back into your data into your database, and then go and click on clusters and then collections right here, and then just go to your collection here, which is just called people because it's from the person model. And all you have to do here is click insert document, click this JSON button right here, remove all of this, and then paste in the JSON from the file I provided. And if you just click insert right here, what it will do is it'll create a bunch of data for you that you can practice doing your MongoDB methods with. Yeah. So yeah, that's it.